Okay, next one. When you're cold emailing prospects for the directory and you have 2 to 3 sending domains, should the sender's name be my name or should it appear as the directory's name, asking them to confirm their information? We've done both. I still think we get better results with a personal name as the sender name. So that's typically what I do. In fact, I'll just demonstrate that. So you'll see my different accounts. Like this is the one that we use for all client accounts. This is the email that we add to as the workspace account for this is the workspace email that gets added to all client sub accounts. Does that make sense? We use the same workspace account for all client sub accounts. All right. But anyways, like let's just click into some of these, like tech at treecarehq.app. We look at the settings, look at the name. In this case, I did Bradley and then last name TreeCareHQ in brackets. Let's see. We'll look at another one. This one should be uh, Bradley Benner. This is tech at treecarehq.com, tech at treecarehq@mail.com, Bradley B, tech at treecarehqmail.net. Let's see, that one is Brad Benner. So you see, most of them are my name, and I've done a lot of testing with this, and I you get better opens when it comes from a personal name than it does from a company name. Okay. Very quickly, since we're in here, look at this, guys. You guys think that this shit works? This is one of the campaigns that I just started running. Let's look at the last 3 months. So we started running this on January 8th, I guess or 9th. January 9th is when we started sending on this campaign. So let's just go back to the last 4 weeks and make it easier to read. But look at this, guys. We started this one on January 9th. It's now February 12th. There was 593 contacts in that list. It started the sequence to 390 out of the 593 contacts. We've had a 74% open rate. Do you guys think this directory outreach process works? Cold email, 74% open rate on cold email, guys. For those of you that are on the fence or that are struggling to get leads into your agency, what the hell are you waiting for? Right? What the hell are you waiting for? The 4 years I've been working on this, and it consistently produces results like this, guys. 74% open rate. I got 30 leads, 30 inbound leads from 390 contacts. That's what is that? It's less than a 10% response rate, positive reply rate, but 74% open rate. These were people that replied back to my directory outreach process that are now in our pipeline. You get it? So in a month's time, I got 30 fucking leads, guys, from sending 60 emails a day to a list of only less than 600, right? In a month, 30 leads. How many leads have your agencies received in the last month? I'm not picking on anybody. I'm not bragging. I'm saying this was because I put this system together, which again is 100% accessible to all members of our mastermind right here. That system right there. In fact, you don't even need to do all of this. You can just do the front end part of it and end up with campaigns that run like this. Okay. So 30 leads into my agency in a month. Think about that, guys. And I'm doing lower sending volume because I haven't had the bandwidth to take on more work than we currently get from the sending volume that we're at. So anyway, moving on.